Okay, a YouTuber, huh?
And
Okay, a YouTuber.
I
Huh?
can see it.
You can't see it. It's
Where?
on this side right here.
On on what?
You see it over there in the corner?
We cannot take no one car. What happens if we do that?
How about that?
What happens if we take someone's car?
So the car is good. Got brand new tires. Okay. Got brand new tires. Doors open. Presented.
What happened yesterday when you were driving me to to 3-year-old class? What happened? Tell me. The tire got flat.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. This is Ben Gas. So today I am about to go to the dealership, and it is almost spring, and well, some states are already observing the spring break already. So this is March 11th, 2025. Is it 11 or 12? Let me see here. Oh, I don't have my watch with me. All right. So if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos. Check out my roaster videos, charging session videos. Check out the maintenance videos that I've done on my EV9 and EV6. Thank you to all my subscribers and those that have reached out through the comment. Thank you guys. Appreciate your comment and also your questions, and I respond back to you guys. I try to respond as much as I can. But yeah, I'm about to take my car into the dealership, and yep, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So my car is right now at 23,300 something miles or so. So right now, as you can see, the tires, they are going. The tread is not that much. You are required to replace your tires every uh, 20,000 miles. So I'll just wait a little bit before, as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of threads there no more. I mean, it still got a couple, maybe it's about maybe 50% thread or lesser a little bit, but I'm just go ahead and replace that because I have a road trip that I'm trying to go on very soon, and that is going to be about what 900 something miles, almost 1,000 miles or so. So I had to make sure I get everything straightened out, the tires, alignment. The vehicle need alignment anyway. So let me go ahead and start this vehicle. So right now I have 23,419 miles, and I'm also due for 24,000 miles inspection. So uh, it's getting close. So I will do another video for that one, but I just need to do this video for the tire replacement. So I am going to be replacing the 4 tires. So I recommend replacing all 4 tires. Okay. So I would be replacing all 4 tires. And I recommend that, get to know some of your dealership representatives. And have interact. I mean, get to know them. Reach out to them sometimes if they have some deals, discounts or whatever. So I believe they have some discount at this dealership. So every dealership is going to be different. So I got a little bit of discount from the tire. Well, they have a sale for the tire, and also discount from the alignment, because alignment is like he said like 49 dollars, about almost 150, $150, but I got $20 knocked off from it. So the tire was like buy three and one for $1, something like that. There might be some that do buy with three, one for free. I'll stay with the dealership and also use the required tire by Kia. So just want to let you guys know. So all that talk, let me go to the dealership. My appointment will be there in 25 minutes. So let me go there. If I need to drop the car off and go home, or I'll stay there and do what I need to do and pick up the car. So just remember, make sure you have your key fob with you. just in case the dealership they don't like you using giving them the NFC card, because I usually give them the NFC card, but I got my key fob right here. Hopefully it still works. I haven't used it. I always use my phone. So yep. Thank you for watching. So see you at the dealership if I can get some videos. But I know they usually will send videos. The technician will send videos, especially with the dealership that um, I use. Their technician will send you a video of what they did, and I like what they were doing, what they are doing. I'll say they're one of the best dealers with the EVs in the area. So kudos to Hendrix, Kia Concord. So you guys doing a great job. Great customer service as well. I'll give it to them. So, but I mean, they got a few other things they need to work on, but they are really good with EVs. So just letting everybody know in Charlotte area. All right. All right. I'm about to get on the road, and I'll see you at the location.
Like, subscribe, and share for my video.
Okay. A YouTuber, huh?
And
Okay, YouTuber.
can't see it.
You can't see it.
Where?
On this side right here.
On what?
You see it over there in the corner?
We cannot take no one car. What happens if we do that? What happens if we take someone's car?
So the car's good. Got brand new tires. Okay. Got brand new tires. Doors open. Presented.
What happened yesterday when you were driving me to 3-year-old class? What happened? Tell me. The tire got flat.
All right, everybody, welcome back. So I just came to pick up my car thanks to Hendrick here, Concord, for awesome job. They did the tires. So let me go back out again and show you. So they did all the 4 tires and wheel alignment. So it looks nice and clean, deep thread. All the KwhOnlyEv EV HP 71 looks nice. Probably have to use some tire. Wash it up and put in some tire polish on it to make it shiny and stuff. So everything looks good. This is ready for a road trip. It is ready for a road trip. So right now I am about to go pick up my daughter. I have my son in the car with me. I think he's a YouTuber himself. So right now I have let's see here. So here's the information right here. And so what I did on this car today, I did wheel alignment, tire installation, and state inspection for North Carolina state inspection. So the wheel alignment was $124.95. And I had $100 off from the 4 tire purchase. So it is $100 off when you buy 4 tires. So after that, after the fees that were discount that was taken off, everything was around $845 for the tires, $12.75 for the state inspection. I believe I got some. Did I get a discount? State inspection, yeah, a little bit of discount there too. But I believe that's probably what I got there. And let me see what else I have here. So everything plus taxes. So I got let's see. So they pay for the Uber, and as you can see, the Uber ride is free from round trip. So the total was $1,000 and $80 and a couple of cents. So it is $1,080.13. That's what I paid. So, but yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about this process of purchasing new tires for the EV, for your EV9. Let me know what your experience is with when it comes to. Are you asleep, sir? Are you having sinuses? He always have sinuses. Um, so let me know in the comment section your experience when replacing your tires, or do you go to the dealership, or you go to another tire shop to replace your tire. But I recommend that if you want to find, check with a dealership. I know dealership is very hard, to deal with, but I've had a great experience with this dealership here. So, every what I call them, the customer care representative. I forgot what they call them, but every of their customer reps that I've spoken with, had interaction with, has been great experience. They still have that mindset of gas maker, because he was telling me, yeah, whenever you come back for your oil change, I say, no, I don't have I don't do oil change. It's so funny, but yeah, they are good. These dealerships are really good when it comes to their customer service and getting things done. They sent me a video of the vehicle, where the technician sent me a video of what he did on the vehicle inspection and all that. And at some point, they sent me a video of somebody else in front of the car. It's like, no, I don't have I don't have what I believe it might be a Telluride. No, I don't have a Telluride, but I post that video too, of that technician. What was what the technician did on the vehicles.
And then on the technician working on your vehicle today. So we had you in here for a North Carolina state inspection. I had a 4-tire replacement as well as an alignment. Well, while we have you here, I did want to go over a couple things on the vehicle with you. So everything is looking good for your North Carolina state inspection. I did get that processed and sent through. So everything is good to go. Vehicle's looking great. Front and rear brakes, as we went over last time, are around 8 millimeters of pad thickness. So you still have plenty of life left out on those. Of course, we're replacing all 4 tires. Everything up top was looking good. Same deal. Lights, wipers, air filters, all that was looking good. So we haven't done the technician working on changing tires on another vehicle at this time. So as soon as the machine is freed up, we'll get started on your tire replacement and then move on to your alignment. But apart from that, everything is looking good. So I just want to thank you for coming in today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.
So let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I'll recommend that you build a relationship with your service advisor. That's what they call the service advisor. So build a relationship with them, and whenever you call, they can give you a slot if they have any available slot. Usually they might have some slot. Oh yeah, well, even though on their website might not have it, they might tell you, yeah, just come and bring it in the morning. We'll take care of it. So, but yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.